data. So it means it will show you all the people's data. No, it only shows you the data who already logged in Facebook. We can't merge Facebook data with Flipkart data. Both the company has their own database. That's why it's a relational data. Now, database system comprises two terms. One is database and the other one is DBMS. Database, what is database? If I say in the layman language, so it's a collection of related data. Database has also three parts. One is structured data, other one is semi-structured data, and the third one is unstructured data. But here we are discussing about structured data and unstructured data. So what is structured data? Data which we can store in a particular format or in a tabular format. It's called structured data. Data which does not have any particular format or structure is called unstructured data. Such as, I have given the example of web page. Web page, we all know that there is no format. Like video will come first, then the image will show in the website, and after that some text will come. But it's not happen in the website. You have seen that in some places video is come first and then some text, and after that the image will show. So but we have, that's the reason it's called unstructured data. Now I have given example of university data for structured data. So why university data is structured? Because they have special structure. They have RDBMS, that means relation, and relation means it's table, because in technical terms we called relation as table. Now we move into the second part, DBMS. We have saved huge data in servers, hard drive. Now what we will do with this saved data? Obviously user want to access all this data. Now user will able to manipulate the data, like store, remove, update, extract, and this is called operations. Now we have required system to perform the operations. So this system is called DBMS. DBMS has collection of operations which provide easiness to user to perform the operations inside the database management system. Data stored in a relation format, and to store the data we need some system which is DBMS, and from here the term RDBMS came. So that's it for this video.